Ludo, our order online just came. We'll see. We'll unbox, okay? Are you excited to know what is inside? Drink! Drink! The nipple, because you keep on biting your nipples. The other one. Yeah, the other one. One piece or two? Two pieces. The other one, wait, mama lang. Just wait. And the other one is the bottle. New one, another one. This will be the 7th. You already have 6. Now you will have another one, so 7 bottles total. Oh, do you like it? Do you like the new bottle? Huh? Oh. What is this spoon? You can use this one and you can use the nipple. Nice, you like it?